So about half our viewership comes from people 70 and over, and we wanted to create a video just for them because we are appreciative of this group.
That's right. We have worked with thousands and thousands of people in this age group in the clinic over the years. Bob and I actually are starting to get close to that age. Mike's got a ways to go. Anyways, we know what we're talking about when it comes to exercises for this group, and that's why we have the 3 must-do daily exercises.
Yes, these exercises will help you with the basics in life, keep you walking, keep you moving, and looking good.
That's right. They work the upper body, posture, the hips, and the legs, top to bottom, all in 3.
So the first exercise we actually want to go through is some seated marches.
That's right. We're going to start with the basics here, and then we're actually going to go back in time when Bob and I actually did a similar video, and we got a couple exercises from then, and then we're going to come back to the present and show you the third and most important exercise, in my opinion, of course. Shall we start, Mike?
We shall. So
There
for the
we go.
seated exercises, you can do them in a chair. I don't think you're going to want to do them on the edge of the bed, but you certainly could try. And we're just
Sure.
going to start lifting up, and I think we should go back in time now.
That's right. So here we go. We're going to go back. Now, this is kind of like for you guys remember, we've got the time travel from Doctor Who and the tortoise, or you can think of it like the Twilight Zone. Here we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hang on. Go.
Bob and Brad, the 2 most famous physical therapists on the internet.
And then we're going to go to seated marching. Good posture. Take a deep breath in. Don't forget the breathing, I'm saying. And up like this. 10 on the side, 20 would be good, or whatever you're comfortable with. Great for those hips. Get those hips moving.
Ain't no use in looking down. Ain't no discharge on the ground.
What are you talking about?
Doing a marching like you do in
Just
the army.
ignore Bob. Yes, he's trying to do a cadence thing that he's never heard of before. If you're able to get around fine, Bob's going to show you the
Behind the
way
chair.
to approach using a chair just to make sure you're safe. Are you ready, Bob?
Sure.
Should I quit
Should I
talking?
do seated or should I do...
No, we're all doing this together.
Okay.
Yes. Well, we're going to start doing the exercises standing. We've got 4 of them.
Well, what's the warm-up?
The warm-up?
Yeah.
I don't know what the warm-up
Yeah. You had sit
No,
tall and-
I do too. I'm just kidding. Okay, here we go. We're going to, in a chair.
Okay,
Yes.
gotcha.
And all we're going to do is simple. We're just going to bring the arms up like this, open the fingers, stretch back and take a deep breath in. And exhale and come forward, fingers together. We're going to open up that chest, get the air and oxygen moving in the lungs. There we go. And back. And do that one more time. Take a deep breath in. Not so deep that you get dizzy, though. We don't want to breathe that
Right.
deep. And we're going to stand up. Now, I'm going to use the walker in case you need something. No, you could go up to a kitchen counter or a chair in front of you. Bob is just, he feels fine. You don't even need that chair if you're very steady, but he's going to have it just in case.
Right.
All right. So here we go. We're going to start 4 exercises on our feet, then go finish off seated, and then you'll be able to rest when you're done. All right. Oh, I didn't know.
I'll do side.
Very good. All right. So I've got the chair behind me, walker here, just in case I get a little tippy, I can sit down and be safe. All right. First one, up on your toes as high as you can, and then back, and then rock on the heels. We're going to do this 10 times, up on the toes and back on the heels. This one in particular, when you go back on the heels, if you're a little tippy, that's going to be the most challenging. and
Yes,
a
that's
good-
where you might need a counter, a hold on to the sink even.
Yep.
You know.
Yep. Or a chair behind
Nobody
you.
fall. Safety comes first. If you're
Absolutely.
thinking you're going to be unstable in that, don't take any chances. Hold on to something
Yeah.
solid.
You can skip any of these that don't feel
Right.
good. Don't worry about it. Just enjoy and watch, or if you can
And
enjoy
make sure you're
watching us.
breathing when you're doing all
Yeah,
these.
exactly
Always
right.
Breathing.
So we're going to get 10
Don't
of
hold your
those.
breath.
Whoa, so there we go. They did a nice job, or say we did a nice job in those 2 exercises, and Mike and I are actually finishing them off ourselves. We're following along. And Mike, what do we have last but most important?
So the final exercise we're going to show are sit to stands. So it's a version of a squat. We're going to start with a easy and go to more of an advanced version here.
Actually, 3 different levels, so everyone will be included in this.
So what you want to do is find a surface, first off, you are able to get off of safely without help. Some people may need a raised surface like I am on here. Brad is on a standard chair. If you find that too low and you don't have anything else, you can certainly place a pillow or some sort of pad underneath you to make you a little taller. If you have a adjustable reclining chair, you could certainly bring it up a little bit. But for beginners, all you're going to do is use your hands to help push off. If you don't have hand supports, put them on your knees like this, and you're just going to work on standing up and sitting down. The goal is to try to do 10 of them, but you necessarily don't have to do them all in a row.
Right. So again, adjust things so that you can get close to 10 or close to it and then carry on. Shall we start? All right, we're going to go to the second version. If you're doing things and it's too easy to use the arms or pushing off the legs, then you're going to go to arms across here and going up. Now, if I'm at this level, I would need to take that out and be at a standard level. And then if you have to push forward and really go like this, then you're not ready for it yet. So you should be able to get up like this with good control all the way up, squeeze the buttocks together, get those glutes working, and sit down slowly, no plopping down. If you plop, you're not ready for it. So think about good, slow, eccentric movement. That's what that's called. And again, go up to 10. If you only can do 8 and you get fatigued and you start to plop, that's probably okay. You're ready for this level.
If you're the type of person that when you try to do this without hands does go backwards, oftentimes you just have to lean forward more, get your nose over your toes, and that forward momentum can help you get up. People don't necessarily like to do that if they feel like they're going to fall. So if you use a walker, you can certainly put that in front of you, or you can do this in front of a countertop or a couch or something sturdy in front of you so you don't feel like you're going to fall over.
Right. Safety first, make sure you do things so that there is no harm being done or potential for it.
Now, version 3 would be the advanced version. So what you're going to do is put your arms overhead. If you have good shoulder mobility, you can lift them straight up. You can put them out in front of you. You can put them behind your head. It doesn't really matter, but it's just going to make it a little more challenging. And I would say it engages your core a little bit more.
Yeah, it definitely, and it works your balances, challenges your balances a little bit more. There we go. And again, try all 3 different methods. But if you get this easy and you're going to do 10, you can go up to 15. But then you're going to just need a maintenance. Do them at that level for maintenance. You've gained enough strength to go up and down steps and that sort of functional activities.
Now, if you're interested in watching another video specifically for seniors, you can click the video link on the screen.
There you go, right there. It's to our special seniors, a daily exercise program from Bob and Brad. Actually, that was a video I made specifically for my mother's assisted living home, and they use it consistently.
Oh, well, that's good. That's why it has so many views, huh?
Did you check it out?
It's got some viewership.
Yeah,
I know
it's
that.
growing. Yeah, it's a good video. All right, have a good day and exercise well.
Bob and Brad, the 2 most famous physical therapists on the internet.